In this video, we look at how to set up single payment donations in Nonprofit Starter Pack 3. So let's revisit the object structure of the Nonprofit Starter Pack that we have seen so far. We use households and organizations. To store these, we use accounts. To, to store individuals, we use contacts. To store donation and grants, we use opportunities. Donations can be made from individual contact or from household records. Salesforce recommends that we start the donations from individual contacts. When we do a donation from the household, it is equivalent to doing a donation from the primary contact of that household. We'll see some examples in a demo in a minute. There are 5 types of opportunities that Salesforce supports out of the box for nonprofit starter pack. More can be added. It's fairly simple to add more types, but this is what is available out of the box. So donations and grants received from donors. These are the 2 types. Then when you receive a large donation, that's called a major gift. And a matching donation from an employer is tracked as a different record type of opportunity, and membership payment for the nonprofit organization is another record type. Let's go to our Salesforce instance to create our first single payment donation. So the starting point for creating the donations is our contact. Let's go to the Smith household, and let's go to the contact Jamie Smith. So as we can see, this is Jamie Smith's record. Now, if we go to the donation section, which is the opportunities here, that there are no donations that Jamie has made so far. We click on that, so we can go to the donation section, the opportunity section, and then we click on the new contact donation button over here. The record type is set to default of donation. Let's click on continue. And as you can see, the name of the opportunity, the household, is automatically populated. All we need to do is set up the amount. Let's say Jamie is making a payment of 1,000 US dollars. Let's say the payment has been made. So we have to set the stage. The probability gets set automatically to 100%. And let's say the payment was received today, so we set the close date. We can set other fields as per our requirements. And let's save this record. So this creates a single payment donation by Jamie Smith, which also gets added to the Smith household account name. So we can see that a payment of 1,000 was received. If we go to the contact, the opportunity also has a payment record created. This gets created automatically. We can capture more details here, like the check information or the payment method, etc. Let's say the payment was made via check and things like that. So this was the first donation that the Smith family made. Now we can go back to from payment, we can go to the opportunity record, that is the donation record. From the donation, we can go to the household record. So we are on the Smith household page now, and the primary contact is Jamie Smith, who is the contact which made the initial donation. These two sections, the donation information and the donation totals, get filled in automatically. We can see the gift dates, the gift amount, total number of gifts all filled in. We can also see the opportunity has been added. So another way of creating a single payment donation is this from the household also we can click on account donation. This also works in the same way. The donation gets attached to the primary contact, which in this case is Jamie Smith, if we use this new account donation button. For the sake of the Salesforce does not recommend that we use this button. Salesforce recommends we go to the contact page and then do start donation from that as a workflow. So let's do that. Let's go to the second contact, John Smith of this household. And let's go ahead and visit. On this, we can check that the household donation for this contact, it's also available over here. We can see that this household has made a donation of $1,000, but for this particular individual, there are no donations as yet. So let's go ahead and make a payment of $1,000 for this individual as well. We go to the opportunities section. We click on the new contact donation. Let's click on continue. As we did earlier, let's fill in the amount. Now, now two different contacts have made $1,000 payment each. Now let's go to the household record and see how that changes. We can see that the total donation that the household has been received is $2,000 now. We got the count of the number of donations changed. We got the largest amount, smallest amount filled in, a lot of other basically the term used in Salesforce is roll up. So the individual contact donations roll up to the household donation. So cumulative donation is available from the household record along with other donation statistics. Once you have this data available, these can be plotted using reports and dashboards feature of Salesforce, which we will see in another video later on. We can see both the donations that were made by this household over here. They are named appropriately with the name of the contact and the date of the donation was made. In the next video, we will look at recurring donation and other type of opportunities.